In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the authorities imposed restrictions at Hyderabad in Srinagar to prevent people from paying tribute to the creator of famous slogan "हम पाकिस्तानी हैं, पाकिस्तान हमारा है" and the symbol of resistance Syed Ali Gillani on his first martyrdom anniversary today. Syed Ali Gillani remained firmly committed to the Kashmiris' freedom cause and his pro-Pakistani stance throughout his life. He had to endure unspeakable hardships at the hands of India's oppressive regime for championing the Kashmiris' cause of right to self-determination. The veteran leader spent more than 2 decades in jail or under house detention. Even he was under house arrest when he died at his Hyderabad residence on this day last year. The occupation authorities deployed Indian Army, police and paramilitary personnel in strength in Srinagar, particularly in Hyderabad area, to prevent people from assembling at the grave of the martyred leader and offering Fatiha for him. The forces personnel threatened shopkeepers against closing their shops and businesses as part of shutdown call for which was given by the All Parties Hurriyat conference and supported by other organizations. However, defying orders, the traders closed their businesses at many places in Srinagar and other areas of the Kashmir Valley. The roads leading towards the grave of Syed Ali Gillani in Hyderabad were sealed with barbed wires and barricades, and no one was allowed to leave and enter the area. However, indoor prayer sessions were held all across the Kashmir Valley and parts of Jammu region for the departed soul of Syed Ali Gillani. Seminars and rallies were held in Azad Kashmir, Europe and other parts of the world where Kashmiri people are present in large numbers to remember Syed Ali Gillani for his unparalleled sacrifices for the Kashmir cause. APHC-AJK chapter took out a rally at National Press Club, Islamabad, while Syed Ali Gillani's martyrdom anniversary was officially observed in Azad Jammu and Kashmir. A huge procession was taken out from Burhan Wani Chowk to Gadipan Chowk in Muzaffarabad to eulogize the sacrifices and services of the veteran leader in the Kashmir freedom movement. The data issued by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said Indian troops in their unabated acts of state terrorism martyred 19 Kashmiris in the last month of August. Among the victims, 8 youth were martyred in fake encounters, 150 civilians were arrested during 171 cordon and search operations, and many of them were booked under black laws in the month. Activists from Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir today staged a hunger strike at New Delhi's Jantar Mantar to push for restoration of the special status of Jammu and Kashmir. The demonstrators deplored that a forced silence has been maintained in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir at gunpoint, and they, on behalf of the Kashmiri people, have come to New Delhi to knock the door of Indian Supreme Court to undo the Modi's illegal actions of 5th August 2019.